Hey Woodbridge, this is Beth, and I'm going to show you how to get to your FlipGrid and record your video. So here's the email that came out with all the information that needs to be in there. For me, I'm going to choose the library FlipGrid. So by selecting your department or grade level, you will be taken to your FlipGrid that will be posted for parents and students. I'm going to record my response with the information we posted by Open administrators. And here we go. 30 seconds I have to record. 3, 2, 1. Hey, this is Mrs. Van Can from the school library. I am one of your school librarians, and I'm really excited to start the school with you online, the school year with you online. Oh, look, I messed up. Let me stop. I'm going to redo. Get rid of the old one. It's in the trash. All right, let me try it again. Hey, Woodbridge students and families, welcome to the school year. This is Mrs. Van Can. I am one of your school librarians, and we will be with you virtually and alongside your teachers. And you'll also find our website, so look us up tonight. The library webpage has information for you and lots of great links for you. So we're really excited to see you this school year, and look soon for how to pick up books at curbside, and we'll have that information there for you. Have a great school year.
Hey, Woodbridge students and families, welcome to the school year. This is Mrs. Van Can. Hey, Woodbridge students and families.
I'm going to confirm.
Hey,
I'm going to go to the next one. Ooh, that's terrible. I'm going to redo my selfie. As soon as I push that button, I guess it's taking my pictures. So I'm going to redo that selfie just one more time, I promise. All right, that's as good as it gets. Here, look, I'm going to change my display name to Mrs. Van Can. That's what I want them to see. That's how they'll be asking for me. And then my title. You can use comments. I like this little bar. And for me, I don't have a team, so I'm just going to put my email address here for everybody. And that's it. I'm going to submit it, have a little celebration there, and it is complete, and now it is here where we will post it out for the night. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Thanks. See you soon.